I've installed a lot of gutter guards over the years, and I've also taken a lot of failed ones off. Plastic guards almost always end up warping or cracking at some point, leading to issues that you were trying to avoid in the first place. That's why we built this. This is BroGuard, our new all-metal micro mesh guard built by the brothers that just do gutters. The first thing you'll notice, it's all metal. The aluminum chassis matches the materials we use in long-lasting gutter systems, and it actually adds strength to the gutter once it's installed. This optimized mesh is designed to do two things really well. Let water in and keep debris out. It handles heavy rain, leaves, pine needles, and shingle grit, and it's sized so it doesn't cake up during pollen season. Are you worried about pests getting into your gutter? Well, BroGuard is a fully enclosed system. That means no openings for birds, bees, or nests. So once BroGuard is installed, the whole system is protected. If you're in a snowy region, BroGuard is heat cable compatible. The cable can be routed right inside the guard path, helping keep water moving and reducing ice buildup along your roof line. This isn't just a fair weather product, it's built to handle it all. When we install BroGuard with new gutters, everything works as one system, backed by a lifetime warranty, meaning better performance and real savings for you, the homeowner. And for most homes, it means having to go up on the ladder to inspect your gutters a lot less. BroGuard is the solution formulated from over 25 years of gutter experience and now available nationwide from the brothers that just do gutters. Schedule your free estimate and see for yourself by visiting our website, brothersgutters.com today.